Here I have TOSCIDO P101, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. Firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Smart Saving Mode. So, like, by holding your finger on it, you can access settings of battery. Then by going to power saving optimization, you can choose battery saver, and here you can enable power saving mode. So, for example, you can also change power saving options here somewhere. So, for example, you can set it to turn on automatically when low battery, and here you can select at which battery it will turn on automatically. You can also set up a schedule for this power saving mode, and you can also set it to exit this mode when device is charging. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.